country, of the people who are all his related people in the motherland. प्रस्तुत पाठ में जो युद्ध की पृष्ठभूमि पर बनी फिल्म हकीकत के लिए लिखा गया था, ऐसे ही सैनिकों के हृदय की आवाज़ बयान करता है. This lesson describes a very, very beautiful, touching our emotions, touching our heart, touching all our feelings, which was written for the film Hakikat. What is meant by Hakikat? Hakikat is nothing but reality. Hakikat is nothing but truth. What is the truth? What is the truth behind the soldier's life? What is the truth behind the death of a soldier? That is what a very famous movie of Hindi, Hakikat. And this was written with the background of battlefield, युद्ध भूमि, and सैनिकों की हृदय की आवाज़ बयान करता है जिन्हें अपने किए धरे पर नाज है. It is said that the soldier starts making question, why I am born, why I am in this world, what I need to do. That is all he starts putting to himself number of questions. इसी के साथ इन्हें अपने देशवासियों से कुछ अपेक्षाएं भी हैं. After questioning himself, after getting confident answers to all his doubts, he also wants to expect something from the people of the country, that is Deshavasi, the countrymen, the people of his motherland. He also likes to expect something from the people of the country. क्योंकि जिनसे उन्हें वे अपेक्षाएं हैं वे देशवासी और कोई नहीं, हम और आप ही हैं. Now tell me children, just think and tell me answer. Who are the country people? Who are the people that he wants to get some expectations from? It's none but you, me and people around us. We are all the people from whom the soldier is expecting something. Yes, it is the story of you and me and the people in and around our country. इसलिए आइए इसे पढ़कर अपने आप से पूछें कि हम उनकी अपेक्षाएं पूरी कर रहे हैं या नहीं. After listening to the lesson, my dear children, just put a question to yourself. Just put a question to yourself and try to come to a conclusion whether we are living up to the expectations of a sipahi, a soldier, a patriot, a person who sacrifices his own life for the sake of his fellow beings, for the sake of the protection of motherland. Just put a question to yourself. Not only you, me and people around us. Let us all think seriously about our existence in this world. Just first let us try to listen to the song. It's a song actually written for the movie by name Hakikat. Please children, try to get this song from your parents. Try to get this in the internet. You will certainly find this song whose title is Kar Chale Hum Fida. This song has been written for the movie Hakikat and it was sung by Muhammad Rafi. You know, Muhammad Rafi belongs to the previous generation and the most melodious singer of the world. It's not only for Bollywood. He was a singer who could sing number of songs in number of different languages. That singer has sung this song for the very great success of the movie Hakikat. In fact, when you see the part of the movie when this song is sung, it's a background song. The soldiers that died for the motherland, by just observing the people in the battlefield whose dead bodies were just fallen there, the people who belonged to them, they just were crying and crying and crying, but the message that the dead body or the soldier was giving, this kind of intention, this kind of a kind of awakening in the minds of the people whoever was observing there. Let's now try to go into the lesson, and this is a song, so I would like to tell you, sing it like a song and try to get the message as the message of your life, the message of the life of a soldier. The song goes like this, children. कर चले हम फिदा जान तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। कर चले हम फिदा जान तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। This is the way the song will go, children. Please try to see the movie, that part of the song, and try to learn the song, which is said to be like Bhagavad Gita to the people of our soldiers. That has been given, the message was given by the soldiers to the people who are all in the field of, say, defense of the country. Now let us try to understand what is the message. Kar chale hum fida. Come on, man, let us be ready for making sacrifice. Janutan sathiyo, oh my friends, oh my followers, listen, get ready for making sacrifice. Ab tumhare hawale watan sathiyo. Oh my friends, just remember, the country is now under your control. It's in your hands to save the country or leave it to the, say, fate of its own. Now you are the master of your country. It's your duty to make sacrifice for the sake of your country. सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती गई. It is said, the person who was about to die, who was almost on the brink of death, he is telling like this. Yes, when your, say, last breath is coming out, maybe that is your last breath and your pulse are going to stop. That means you are about to die. Even then, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया. The soldier that just died in front of you is a person, even when he was about to die, he never took his foot back. बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया. He never turned back. He never stopped to save his own life. Just remember, my dear friends. कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं. Kavi is telling, even if your head is cut, even if you are put to death, no, don't care and don't feel sorry for that, because सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया. Just remember, we are not going to bring any kind of disrespect to the country. We are not going to bring any kind of insult to the country. We are the people to make Himalayas stand like that. We are the people to keep up the respect of the country. Never, never take back your foot just because you are going to die. No, you are a soldier. Now the country is in your, say, hands, and the control of the country is in your hands. Never, never get ready for making any kind of sacrifice, even to just give away your life. मरते मरते रहा बाकपन साथियों. Yeah, we know, when you are a soldier, all your youth, all your young age, all your happiness, all your enjoyment of life, yes, that is just marte marte. Yes, you have to sacrifice your young age, your enjoyment, your pleasures for the sake of country. अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Yes, just remember, the whole country is under your control. The whole respect of the motherland is in your hands. So, my friends, get ready to make fida. Fida is sacrifice. जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत हैं मगर we know man has certain stages of life. Yes, maybe like infantry, youth, and maybe the medium age and the old age, whatever it is. There are many occasions where you can live and enjoy your life, but जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. See children, what a heart touching say sentence. Children, we get many occasions in our life to show our enjoyment, to show our pleasure, to show our happiness. But according to Kaifi Azmi, it is said, जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. Where you get the occasion of sacrificing your life for the sake of motherland, it comes only once in your life. It touches your door only once. Occasions may touch our door many times. They may come, they may repeatedly come, they may come without any stop. But such kind of occasion to live your life, sacrifice your life for the country, never comes many times. It comes only once in your life. हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे. Maybe there are things like say beauty, there are things like youth, there are things like so many things that attract our life, but now this is the time not to care for those things. Totally worldly things, totally they are physical things. Never care for them, never give importance to them. वो जवानी जो खूं में नहाती नहीं. Remember, your young age may go into different kinds of pleasure, but never you get a chance that your young age will totally dip in blood and show your great intention to your motherland. Never you get such occasion. Only once in your life you get this occasion. So my dear friends, make use of this occasion and show your gratitude to your motherland. आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों. Now, when the dead bodies were found in the battlefield, the song talks about, say, the Mother Earth. Look at Mother Earth with the blood of the dead soldiers. She was looking so beautiful, it seems. अब धरती बनी है दुल्हन. You know दुल्हन, what is दुल्हन? It's a bride, a beautiful bride who is dressed in red color sari. This is all the blood of soldiers that are just sacrificing their life for motherland. And अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Now it's in your hands. The motherland is in your hands. Whether you just save it or whether you leave it for its own fate. Decide. Decide. Just observe the dead bodies here. Just observe the land here. Just observe the people who are all very sad about the people, those who are lost by them. Look at them. Decide yourself, my dear friends. He is telling Sathiyo. What is Sathiyo, my dear friends? My dear fellow beings, my dear countrymen, he is telling like that. राह कुर्बानियों की न वीरान हो. Yeah, this way, the path that a soldier goes on should never become a desert. What is to become a desert? When nobody walks on the way becomes a desert. We know this is not, say, like a desert. This should never become a desert. The way of sacrifice, the way of living our life for the sake of motherland. Just remember, never make the way desert, that is, follow that way. तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले. You know what is a kafil? Kafil is a group of travelers. A group of travelers is called kafil. And never you make this way a deserted one, but always decorate the way. Always decorate the way with so many people ready to die for the motherland. फतह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है. You know what is जश्न? Enjoyment. You know, the enjoyment comes when we become victorious. Yes, victory is following our sacrifice. When some people sacrifice their life for the motherland, they show the way to people which is said to be victory. That is, say, the win and the winners, the happiness enjoyed just after the death of certain soldiers. जिंदगी मौत से मिल रही है गले. We know the whole battlefield is the combination of death and say life. Life and death, death and life, life and death, death and life, and the whole say the existence of people is the combination of life and death. बांध लो अपने सर से कफन साथियों. Yeah, Kavi is telling, get ready that you are going to die. Decide that you are going to sacrifice your life for the sake of motherland. You tie your head to the coffin box. Do you know what is a coffin box? Coffin box is a box. After the death of particular person, his dead body will be put in the coffin box. अंतिम यात्रा जो होती है उसमें ये जो कफन बोलते हैं उसको, ये कफन में डेड बॉडी को रखते और ये मुर्दे को रखने का बॉक्स. कवि इज टेलिंग, गेट रेडी टू टाई योर से बॉडी विथ द कॉफिन बॉक्स. अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. जस्ट रिमेंबर, मदरलैंड इज अंडर योर कंट्रोल. मदरलैंड इज वेटिंग फॉर योर